Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled to keep your business finances organized, today's video is going to save you a ton of headaches. I'm going to show you exactly how to create liability accounts in QuickBooks Online, step by step, with this updated 2025 guide. Whether you're tracking loans, payroll liabilities, or sales tax, this method will help you stay compliant and in control. First, let's quickly understand what a liability account is. In simple terms, a liability account tracks what your business owes to others, such as loans, credit cards, or taxes you've collected but haven't paid yet. Setting these up correctly is essential for accurate financial reporting. Now, let's dive into QuickBooks Online. Sign into your QuickBooks Online account. From your dashboard, look for the gear icon in the upper right corner. That's your settings menu. Go to Chart of Accounts. Under Your Company, select Chart of Accounts. This is where all your accounts, assets, liabilities, income, and expenses live. Create a new account. Click the New button to start adding a new liability account. Choose the account type. For liabilities, you'll usually select either Other Current Liabilities or Long-Term Liabilities. Current liabilities are debts or obligations you'll settle within a year, like sales tax payable or credit card balances. Long-term liabilities are for debts due after 1 year, like business loans or leases. Detail, type, and name. QuickBooks will ask for a detail type. Choose the one that best matches, for example, loan payable or sales tax payable. Give your account a clear descriptive name, like Bank Loan, ABC Bank. Set the opening balance if applicable. If you already have an outstanding amount, enter the opening balance and the as of date. If not, leave it blank for now, save and close. Once you hit save, your liability account is now ready to use. From here, you can start recording transactions against this account. For example, adding a journal entry when you take out a loan or tracking your sales tax liability as you make sales. And that's it. You've just set up a liability account in QuickBooks Online the right way. Keeping your liabilities organized ensures your books stay accurate and your reports remain trustworthy. If this tutorial helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more practical QuickBooks tips, and comment below if you want me to cover specific account setups next time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.